If your computer clock is wrong in Firefox, it can cause all kinds of problems, from websites not loading properly to secure pages showing strange errors and dates appearing out of sync. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, and by the end, Firefox should be showing the correct time again. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure your Windows clock is set correctly because Firefox often pulls time information from your system. Right-click the time on your taskbar, then select Adjust Date and Time. This opens your Windows date and time settings, where you can check whether the clock is being managed automatically. Now turn on the toggle for Set Time Automatically. This lets Windows sync your clock using internet time servers, which is the easiest and most accurate way to keep your time correct. After that, click the Sync Now button. This forces Windows to immediately compare your system time with online time servers and update it if needed. Next, look at the time zone setting. Make sure it matches your current location. Even if the clock looks close, the wrong time zone can make Firefox and other apps show the wrong time by an hour or more. So if you're in a different region, choose the correct time zone from the list and confirm everything matches your area. Once that's done, open Firefox and test whether the issue is fixed. If your system clock was the problem, this may solve it right away. But if your computer clock is correct and Firefox still shows the wrong time, then the issue may be caused by a Firefox privacy setting. Firefox has a feature called fingerprinting protection, and in some cases it can hide or alter time zone information to make it harder for websites to identify your device. That sounds useful for privacy, but it can also cause the browser to display the wrong time or make certain websites behave strangely. To check this, type about .config into the Firefox address bar and press Enter. You may see a warning message. If you do, click Accept the risk and Continue. This takes you into Firefox's advanced configuration settings, where you can change hidden browser preferences. Now, in the search bar, type privacy.resistFingerprinting. This is the setting that controls fingerprinting protection behavior. If this value is set to true, Firefox may be masking your time zone. To fix that, double-click the setting and change it to false. After changing it, restart Firefox so the new setting fully applies. Then check your browser again and see if the time issue is gone. In most cases, adjusting the system clock and disabling this specific Firefox fingerprinting setting will resolve the problem. So to recap, first make sure Windows is using the correct date, time, and time zone. Then use Firefox's about .config settings to turn off privacy fingerprinting if needed. That combination usually fixes the wrong clock issue very quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy computer fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.